Hi everyone! In this lesson, you'll practice how to discuss language abilities.
You'll be challenged to discuss language abilities. First, let's look at some examples.
¿Hablas inglés?
Sí, hablo un poco.
To ask if someone speaks a language, say, "Hablas," followed by the language, like,
¿Hablas inglés?
to answer that you speak a little, say,
Sí, hablo un poco.
listen to a few more examples.
¿Hablas español?
Sí, hablo español.
¿Hablas chino?
No, no hablo chino.
Let's practice. You meet Jack. Ask him if he speaks Chinese.
No hablo chino.
Now, meet Tom. Ask him if he speaks Spanish.
Sí, hablo español.
How did you do? You can consider this practice exercise successful if you were able to answer in the given time, and use the sentence pattern featured in the examples. Try this practice exercise again if you want to improve your fluency. To learn more vocabulary and phrases, access our Can Do video series by clicking the link in the description.
And that's it for this lesson. Great job! Now you know how to discuss language abilities. Go ahead and move on to the next lesson, and I'll see you there.
Now that you're finished with this lesson, want to know if your Spanish skills have improved? Take our free assessment test to assess your language, discover your true learning level, and get free access to a language course for your specific level. An easy-to-follow course where you learn the real language, the everyday conversations that you'll soon have, and absorb these practical conversations just by listening along, with quick audio and video lessons from real teachers. So click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get assessed.